Like I have a grape one of these and it's like fully wet because she'll like suck on it and chew and drool on it so much. Aww, her first flirt. She brushed his hair back.
She's like, tell him he looks cute with his hair pushed back.
We're kind of matching, Brittany.
Yeah.
I know.
Okay guys, we were supposed to go to sunflower fields and they were closed on Monday. Nobody looked until we were about to drive there. So now we ended up at the beach with the babies. And it's pretty here. Can't go wrong. Mimi's here. Mimi, how come you go like this all the time?
Isn't that a llama?
Yeah.
Isn't that rock
I
on?
thought it was the devil.
I thought this was rock on. Oh yeah. I don't know. It's just yeah. What is this?
I think it's devil worship. Mimi.
Devil.
Oh. She is in a cult. Back to the action over here. She learned from her mom. Whoa.
She's not in for the attack.
You have to ask, Koa. He's about to go Super Saiyan.
Koa, is that funny, Summer? She's laughing. Look over here. Koa. Wow. Cool.
You don't spend $1,000 on clothes that you're never gonna wear.
Standing up and I'm over here taking a video of the dogs. Here goes Brand on a bomb. That's you. She's supposed to be eating right now, but the bottle's not warm enough, I think, so she doesn't like it. So I tried to give it to her like 4 times, but she just sucks it in and then spits it right out. So I don't know what's up with that, but mommy's out there surfing, so I'm gonna keep letting her. And she's not screaming, so I feel like it's okay. Yeah, that's my little baby. That's us, Squish. That's you. And me. Yeah, you're so well lit in here. I was taking tons of photos. That's the GoPro POV right there.
Oh no! No! Okay guys, so you already saw us at the beach in Kailua, and then Shane mentioned that we're going to the sunflowers, but we forgot to film right before we got to the sunflowers. And it was fun, but it wasn't what I was expecting. The sunflowers were...
So you guys are gonna have to keep watching if you wanna see what it was like. So it was great, Squishy was great, and then something went wrong. You guys are gonna have to keep watching to find out.
We were all shocked.
Look at your toes. Well, I'm not gonna twirl fast because it doesn't
Oh,
go
okay.
fast, so it's like that.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Perfect.
It's like, what the hell?
Oh, okay. Yep. Yeah.
Sorry, Britt, move, Hi.
Hey vlog. We're here at the
Speak up.
sunflower. We're here at the sunflower fields. This is Brett. I'm Mimi.
You're new.
He's got an attitude today. I don't know what's going on. It's okay. It's okay though. Good vibes here. So beautiful. Britt is taking photos with Bryn and the babies.
So we're gonna. Where are we going?
Okay, yeah.
And he is shooting. Oh, big ol' jump. Big ol' jump.
And it's like all this shit, and there's bees. Okay, we're good.
Babies don't like pictures sometimes.
You're supposed to look at the thing. The ones that make it.
Yeah, they're really cute. Once you open it up. Oh no.
Don't do that. Go on.
All
Alright, that's enough.
Sorry. It's okay.
He was abusing.
If you want to do it again, it looks good in the camera.
Hey, look over here.
Oh, very good.
Summer girl.
Yay! That was cute.
Oh! Don't do that.
Attacking her.
Good job, baby.
She doesn't know what pet versus hit is.
I know. I don't know how she survived it. He was
She doesn't care.
going
She's
almost
never
full
cried since
force.
he's hit her a couple times.
Yeah. So pretty, girl.
Hunting.
Her eyes look pretty in this light.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Bye.
Friend said, see ya. This thing. Yeah. Summer! Summer!
Britt, check the polarizer angle. Do you know how?
Summer! Summer! Look at mommy! Summer! Oh. Hold her up or something if you want.
Yeah. Good job, Squish.
He's our videographer.
I know, really.
Hey, come on.
You're hired.
Sorry.
Oh. Summer! Hi!
Oh, that was good.
Good.
Think so.
Oh, look at him.
We out here.
Okay guys, so we're out here doing some photo shoots. The sunflowers are not really full power right now. This is sort of
They're
the
not sunflowering.
only sunflower area, all
you
dead
guys-
back there. Go
If
ahead.
you guys have been subscribed in a while and saw our vlog when we went to Maui like over a year ago, it was like right before I
Yeah.
got pregnant. Their sunflowers were popping, but they still look pretty.
Yeah.
That still looks nice.
Yeah, so it's still good here. We got some good action. Waimanalo Country Farms where we went. They don't test crazy pesticides here. There's one up North Shore where they do that. So don't go to the one on North Shore. It's like a DuPont test farm where they are like destroying the environment. So if you want to come to one, come to this one. Waimanalo Country Farms. We had Mimi do some behind the scenes action for us. Thank you, Mimi.
Of course.
Yeah, so we did our best on the photo shoot and then now we're gonna go get some bagels. Let's do it.
So now we're getting bagels, and now we're gonna show you the bagels that we got because it's a really cool bagel place. Wow, I had to be so close for that. Okay, first bite.
Is that pimento cheese?
No, it's the lox one. Doesn't have that much lox in it though. Thoughts?
It's pretty good, but the bagel's too hard.
Oh, bagel. Oh.
It's a bagel.
Okay, and the bagels were pretty good, I thought, but everyone else kind of didn't like them.
To me, they were tough. Like, you
don't know if
guys
you could
saw
tell
the
on
clip
the
where I was like, ugh. Like, to me, it should be like, it should have some crunch, like, because of the toastedness. But then that should be like, and then you're through it, and you don't have to like pull it off. I don't know.
I think it's just because you're supposed to take the cream cheese halves apart.
Yeah, so I'm gonna ask them next time to like toast it a little extra, open face. I used to say that when I get Einstein's bagels forever ago, and I just didn't really remember the bagel lingo when I was going. So maybe
Anyway,
maybe it was
so-
my fault.
Enough with the bagels. They're
Yeah.
good, whatever. Go there if you want when you're here. If not, don't go there. I don't care. Sunflowers were okay, but I think I looked at the back of the camera. I think we got some good pictures. They just
Yeah.
weren't like I said in that one clip, if you saw when we went to Maui, there were so many sunflowers. It just wasn't like that. So it wasn't like a whole background of all these
And that's what
sunflowers.
you really want is like the whole field as far as the eye can see sunflowers.
Which they would have been if they weren't all dead.
Yeah.
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 But she still had fun.
So between blooms is what they said, and basically we can just watch their Instagram stories and see when it's really good, and then we'll go. So we'll try it again another time, probably not this year, but
Well, they
definitely
close
next
tomorrow,
year.
so.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So next year we'll try it out, we'll get it right, and we'll bring you guys along.
But we only had to pay $5 since they weren't in full bloom. So it wasn't bad.
Yeah. it was a fun morning activity with the baby, which I feel like is the main thing. And you know, you don't have to get the best content everything you do.
It'll be fun when she can run and she can run around in there.
Yeah. And then Summer, where are you? And she's like,
yeah, but that was it for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry we didn't bring the GoPro when we were at the beach. That would have been good.
yeah,
but
I'll do that next time for sure.
we forgot because that was like a last minute plan.
Yeah.
So anyways, hope you guys have a nice 4th of July. This probably has actually been started for 4th of July. I just said that. But anyways, okay, like this video, comment down below.
And that's all the stuff we saw. Bye.